Good morning.
It's a C day. Y'all already know what happened last night. Check out the vlog, y'all. Y'all know what happened.
Sleeping Beauty.
Prince Charming. He still couldn't kiss me and wake me up. But we're here to start off a new day. Right?
You woke?
I'm woke. I'm wide awoke.
So my kisses do work.
It didn't work last night. We got this drink page we got to drink down, y'all, right? The bar tab.
She is trying to take advantage of me again.
I already did. Yeah.
Where you put the, we got to put the process down there?
Yeah. So I guess you have to let them know if you want your eggs scrambled hard, because the eggs that they already have made are like soft scrambled. No. So I need to have mine scrambled hard. So yeah, the bacon.
Anything else?
Nope, that's it.
It's just well done scrambled eggs.
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
It's crowded this morning for breakfast. So we got our breakfast ordered. You have to stand in the line to get eggs like a certain way. Scrambled eggs, I want mine hard. He likes his fried hard. So we had to stand in the line to order the eggs. They have eggs already there, pre-done, but the scrambled eggs looked a little soft, and I don't like mine soft. So so we just found a seat. It's really crowded this morning. This is going on 11 o'clock. And this is the first time we've really ever came up here to have breakfast. Usually every day we go to get brunch, but this is the first time we've ever come up in the galley for breakfast. So it gets kind of crowded around this time. So just be patient. So this is Quint's. Quint got the croissant and his eggs fried hard, sausage, bacon, and tater tot. And I got my eggs scrambled hard with the bacon and the brown hash brown.
Nasty.
It's nasty. It's really nasty. I can't drink that juice. I have to drink water. It don't taste right. Back out for round 2 of eating. I have the spicy tonka soup, but I got double noodles, no egg, because the egg is kind of like not cooked in them, and I don't like yolky eggs. So spicy tonka soup, double noodles, no mushroom, and no egg. And I also got a shrimp salad. First time I've ever ordered from the panini area here at the galley. So I got a shrimp salad sandwich, and that has potato chips. This is my spicy tonka soup with double noodle and no egg. And this is my shrimp salad sandwich with chips from the panini grill, press grill. I've never got anything from there before, so that's cool.
Why do you look like they put more noodles in your bowl this time?
I asked for double noodle.
Oh. I'm about to say no.
That's
the most I ever seen.
That was the fatal flaw of it all, not getting double noodles. My glass is fogging up and everything.
Yeah, so early in the morning I'm sitting there with one eye open.
Look at my glass. Fogged up. Oh my God. So I'm going to try this shrimp salad sandwich. Like I said, it's the first time I ever got anything from like a panini place. The little shrimp falling out the sandwich. Let me get it. Oh. You can see it. See some of the shrimp? Okay, it's got lettuce and tomato, and let's see what tastes like. I need some more seasoning. I need my seafood seasoning on that sandwich. There's no seasoning on that shrimp. So for that, I'm gonna give this sandwich a 3 out of 5. But if you add like salt and pepper, or like I bring my seafood seasoning with me, if I go back down in the room and get it and put it on a sandwich, it'll probably make it still a 3 out of 5, but much more edible. So my final thoughts on that shrimp salad sandwich, the panini crust, it was pressed to the panini and it was hot. I feel like shrimp salad shouldn't be a hot press. That should be a cold sandwich. It's okay to toast the bread, but put the cold shrimp salad on it but don't put in the bread and then press it. That's not how shrimp salad is supposed to be. It needs to be more flavorful. You need more seafood seasoning in that salad, a little bit more mayonnaise. That's why you don't need to be warming it up in a panini. This sandwich is all wrong. It should not be a hot sandwich. If you want to toast the bread, toast the bread. The salad needs to be cold. So we tried the guava ice pop, right?
Yeah.
I'm sorry. Thoughts?
It's not bad. It's good.
Not. It's really
I realize
good.
I have not been this vlog at all.
You have
Hello,
not.
everyone. Goodbye,
Stranger.
everyone.
So we're here having our drinks. Drinking a drink package down.
Oh man,
With
You
pretzel.
ain't got butter shots.
I started pulling my breath.
They only tried
All
these
right,
boys.
now
Just here
everything
chilling.
that has just been said can be said. It's a fresh.
Yes, this slate is wiped
Don't even
clean.
try
Whatever
these
was
boys.
said in the previous
That's
round, you can now say together.
The
Just
shot
no
gonna be a
repeats
shot.
between
Shot,
the three of
that's
you
it.
now.
Yes.
All right,
Cheers,
yeah,
babe.
Top three
I'm
now.
about to shake.
Here we go. In 3.
Also have a trivia going on, y'all, on the other side of the lounge, which is really cool. So we can hear it over here because the speakers are loud. The shake for champagne has arrived.
She say, all right,
She's
put
more
me in.
experienced. The pressure. Oh, there it is. Oh, yes.
Y'all all-
Okay, so we are at the coffee spot. I'm getting a coffee, not for me, but for someone in our party. And I have a, what is it, a pomegranate?
Blueberry.
For her, a blueberry margarita. And it is really good. We got it from the casino. It's good.
Fourth of y'all. So that was gonna be my fourth drink.
Really?
Couldn't do it.
This is good.
Lady had to come through.
Shay got a blueberry mojito, and that is so good. Got drinks and popcorn and coffee and ice cream. This is my outfit for the evening. It is just a black shoulder, like isometrical strap dress with my gold bag and my gold heels, gold accessories, and this is my outfit for the night. We're on our way to dinner. We're running a little late, y'all.
She, because of her, ain't want to get up.
I didn't want to get up. I've been really having the best rest on this cruise, y'all.
Bring it early. Tell them the truth.
Okay, I had a couple little drinks. But dang, why you gotta put me on Front Street?
Promise not to. Promise. Promise not to. Promise.
So we are here at Extra Virgin. The gang's here. We're about to order our food, and as always, we'll let you know what it tastes like. The gang's all here.
We did it for everybody.
The gang's all here. Oh, I forgot to mention that our theme tonight is all black. The meatballs, y'all. The meatballs, they have mushrooms in them. And that's the calamari. That looks good. Charcuterie board, y'all. And the chicken liver mousse.
So you eat that?
That's the chicken liver mousse.
bring my wife a glass for her drink. The guy never bought the glass. But it can't.
The beer bread. I mean the beer
Oh.
glass. Okay.
That's good. I like that. That's a 3.5 out of 5. That mousse is really good. It's creamy. Yeah, I like that. My pear cider, y'all.
Thank you, sir.
You wanna
Yes,
It's really good.
very much.
This is the proper deli that I got. I only got a half order because I knew it was gonna be too much food. Oh, is that the gorgonzola steak? That look good.
Oh, I should have got like ham. I wasn't.
So we're back from Extra Virgin, y'all, and it was okay. We will talk more about it in the review. Shay, y'all. Shay miss y'all.
Oh,
Shay miss y'all.
you know what? Out of Kim.